Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about mechanism of ozonolysis in propene, particularly in propene. First we will see the resonance structure of O3. As we know, this is the structure of O3. This can be written as, here we can write plus and here we can write minus, and the resonance structure of this O3 is, here we can write plus and we are shifting this positive and negative charge in this way, and also we can write as this is minus, this is plus, and also we can write like here it is plus and here it is minus. These are the resonance contributors of ozone. That means the resonance structures of ozone. In this way we can write the resonance structures of ozone. How the reaction mechanism takes place, this propene with ozone. First we should write the structure of propene. This is the structure of propene. 1 propene, 1 2 3, there are 3 carbon atoms, propene, 1 propene, and across this we are adding ozone to this. We can take the resonance structure of this one, and when these pi electrons are adding towards this oxygen atom and these electrons are shifting towards this oxygen, and ultimately this charge will be neutralized and negatively charged oxygen which will attack to the carbon atom, because these electrons already shifted towards this oxygen and here this carbon acquired positive charge, hence these negative electrons are shifting towards carbon atom. This is the first step, that is ozone is adding across this propene, and in the next step this is CH and this is carbon, this is CH3, this is H, this is oxygen. These 3 are the oxygen. Again there will be a bond breaking between these 2 carbon. See here, this is shifting like this, and what we will get in the next step is, this is H, this is C and this is H. Here carbonyl we are getting, that means E bond break agatade namga, E bond ikkada shift agatade andre we are getting here carbonyl, this is carbonyl, and one more the remaining thing is, this is CH3 and this is C, this is H, and here it is, after this oxygen is there, and O minus, because this is shifting on oxygen, that is O minus, this is O minus, and carbon is positively charged here, because there will be a breaking of bond takes place, hence it is a positive charge. Again these carbonyl electrons are attacking to the carbon and these electrons are shifting towards the carbon, hence we will get, this is oxygen here, and next this is carbon, this is also H, this is also H, and there is a oxygen, and here also oxygen, and here it is carbon and it is CH3, this is H. Now the carbon is fully satisfied with 4 bonds. Here 3 bonds was there, hence we have written positive charge over the carbon atom. Here it is fully satisfied, and this is a newly added oxygen. We can symbol like this, and this is called as ozonoid. Already we have discussed in the previous video what is mean by ozonoid. And next we are adding reducing agent to this ozonoid. See here, we can add H2O2 or zinc in water. So by adding H2O2 mild reducing agent, this is breaking like this. This is a short trick we can use. ಇದು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. By leaving oxygen alone, single oxygen, this is breaking like this. ಇದೊಂದು compound formation ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So here we can get here two compounds. One is CH, this is also H, and here it is carbonyl, plus one more is CH3, CH, and this is double bond O. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಈ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಓ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ acetaldehyde. That means two carbonyl compounds ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅದು. If it is we are adding zinc in H2O, it is in the form of H plus and OH minus. How the mechanism takes place we will see. This is CH and this is O. This is our ozonoid. How the mechanism will take place. This oxygen which is having a lone pair of electron which abstract proton, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತದ. ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ CH, this is also H, O, C, CH3, and this is H, this is O, H, because H ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಆಗತ್ತದ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ O, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಬಾಂಡ್ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಗೆಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. Again this bond will be breaking. This is shifting towards here and this bond is shifting towards here to satisfy the positive charge. Avagida charge neutral agibirtade and these electrons are shifting towards this. Hence we will get here CH3, CH, CH3, CH, C double bond O here, along with this OH will be there, and one more this product is H, C double bond O, H. This is the product, that is formaldehyde. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರ್ತದ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 3 ಬಾಂಡ್ಸ್. Formaldehyde. And again by the elimination of water here we will get acetaldehyde, CH double bond O. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, because this oxygen which is having a lone pair of electron which will abstract proton and it will go as a water and charge will be neutralized here. These are the two carbonyl compounds. This is formaldehyde and this is acetaldehyde. What we got here. This is the mechanism of ಓಝೋನೋಲೈಸಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೀನ್. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಝೋನೋಲೈಸಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೀನ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕೇಳಾರು. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಪೀನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. For this propene you have to add ozone in the first step and you have to add mild reducing agent like H2O2 or zinc in water add ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಈ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೈ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಅಲ್ಕಿನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಸಿಟಾಲ್ಡಿಹೈಡ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿವು, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿವು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.